Welcome to the E.D'OR Style channel, and for the ones returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm going to be cutting this thick hair today. This mannequin was supposed to have black textured hair, but there's no such thing because we have different textures. I'm going to be cutting off all of those split ends, as you can see. So once you cut it off, your hair looks healthier, it moves better, and it helps your hair grow as well. It's not a myth. I'm going to start off by straightening the hair. Because it's so thick, I want to make sure I'm getting all of the ends. I already sprayed heat protectant to preserve the health of the hair. I'm just going to go in sections throughout to make sure it's as flat as possible to cut off those split ends. Look at that, you can see it's so much better. Look at all those split ends. They're so clear. When you straighten the hair, you can really see them. I already cut my first section. That's what I'm going to be using as my reference. I'm making smaller sections so that I can see through the hair, so I can see my previous cut, because that's what I'm using throughout the head. If you make them too thick, you won't be able to see your reference. The higher you go, the less hair you'll need to cut. However, later on in the video, I'll show you how we'll cut those split ends, even if we can't see them right now. For the sides, I'm still using my reference cut from the back. So for the front of the hair, I wanted to frame the face. So I'm gonna be bringing some hair from the back to the front and just combing that and cutting in the middle and then framing the face from there. So just creating a frame around the face. As for the hair that we couldn't cut earlier when we were going straight down the back, I'm going to be cutting it at a 90-degree angle, and I'm going to let all of the hair from the bottom fall if they need to fall. That just means that they don't need to be cut. Obviously, we already cut the split ends from there. We're just trying to get the middle that we couldn't reach from the back of the hair. I am so sorry, guys. I was out of frame for pretty much most of all the cutting that I was doing in between, but I didn't want to cut this video just because the haircut was really pretty. However, I did make a slow motion because I was able to get it into the frame, so I'll show you. I'm pretty much just cutting in between my reference from the back and my reference from the top. So you're gonna see all the hair we can reach from the back, and you just want to get rid of all those split ends. Here's the one time I was in the frame. So from my reference cut, I'm cutting anything in between. And look at this movement. Cutting split ends really transform your hair for the better. It just makes it look healthy. You looking like money. Sometimes a haircut is all you need to get a little bit of change. Thank you for watching, and comment below any tips and tricks you have. You can share with us. We are a community growing together, making our hair look fabulous.